how to make a Telegram account without a phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can make a Telegram account without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to make a Telegram account without a phone number, if you suddenly go ahead and then open up Telegram here, and then if you tap the start messaging option, you can see right off the bat it is asking you to basically enter your phone number over here. So once you enter your phone number over here, you can go ahead and then do that if you'd like. Now one thing you have to understand is that Telegram does not allow you to create an account without phone number, and doesn't mean you can't create an account, because see, if you don't have a real phone number, you can actually use virtual phone number, and for virtual phone number, most of them you don't need to pay. So many of them are available for free online. You even get the code if Telegram sends you two-step verification or something like that, so you can use those virtual numbers, which I'm not going to deep dive into this video as well. So hope this video helped you understand your queries. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.